Welcome to the 3-bedroom at Disney's Riviera Resort. You can walk through the entryway. Let's look at, this is the master bedroom. There we go. Artwork in all of the rooms. Elevated beds for storage. Get to the bathroom. There's a closet. Oops. They're using it for storage. Okay. Master bath. Mosaic tile only in the 3-bedroom. Makeup vanity. Double sinks. Makeup mirror. Water closet. Look at this shower, guys. I know the depth perception is off in the video. Seriously, like, you could social distance in that bathroom. My entire family could fit in that bathroom, in that shower. Okay, more the artwork. Dining for 10. Look at the great little details in this archway. Full kitchen into the living area. Behind this closet are your full washer and dryer. You can't have a private chef come in and cook for you. You can book this for a party. It does sleep 12. Here's another guest bathroom. Marble tile. Second bedroom. The paintings are by Wally. Movie Wally. They are exclusive in the rooms to the 3-bedroom. And the third bedroom. Nightstand. Go back this way. There's a closet back behind there. And bathroom. Water closet. Walk-in shower. So that other bathroom is the only one that has a tub. Come back out. And then there is a separate entrance. If you have anyone wanting to use that, just come down to this side of the hall, not bother anybody coming through the main entrance. You can also have staffing come through that entrance. What do you guys think? Absolutely beautiful. All right. One last look. Thank you for following along to the 3-bedroom at Disney's Riviera Resort.